Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Starz on weekly settings. Then here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Starz on and you will go here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter through the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget